Celebrate Thunderbirds and welcome to our December 2021 Virtual Awards Assembly. December awards are presented for academics and our character trait, gratitude. At Willmore, gratitude is saying thank you to others, writing thank you notes and letters, caring for the things, people, and places in our environment, being thankful for our family, friends, and all that we have. En Willmore, tener gratitud significa decir gracias a todos, escribir notas y cartas de agradecimiento, cuidando las cosas, a las personas y a nuestros alrededores, y dar gracias por nuestra familia, amigos y todos lo que tenemos. Our preschool through kinder awards in the area of academics are awarded to Raul Roman, Breland Estrada, Maximus Carr, Abigail Brodoff, Aria Helms, Natalie Gomez, and Prince Banotes. Our preschool through kinder awards and character awarded to Anaí Rodriguez, Mackenzie Hernandez, Aliyah Reynoso, Marco Castillo, Amy Bonilla, Nicholas Morales, and Jaylene Rojas. First and second grade awards and academics are awarded to Valerie Goica, Judah Gallio, Anne Fan, Estela Ramirez, Tony Tripp, Dominic Ramirez, Julissa Gonzalez, and Kylie Nguyen. First through second grade awards and character awarded to Camille Enriquez, Isaida Rangel, Liam Gogo, Jonah Jimenez, Akatseli Sanchez, Julian Valencia, Isabela Lopez, and Lucero Maldonado. Third through fifth grade awards in academics are awarded to Esteban Nieto, Yatsiri Torres, Harry Hong, Chloe Gardia, Joas Alvenega, Kimberly Rojas, William Hernandez, Yahaira Salazar, Katmai Cow, Jackson Van Meter, and Brisa Delgado Alvarez. Third through fifth grade awards and character awarded to Victoria Juarez Velasquez, Monica Solano, Griselda Farias, Isaac Solis, Yoreli Vizcara, Vivian Pham, Dana Gutierrez, Jacqueline Moreno, Emmanuel Diaz, Eric Hernandez, and Kylie Pador. Thunderbirds, we are celebrating December birthdays.
Happy
Birthday
to you.
Feliz
Cumpleaños.
Happy birthday to you.
que
Feliz.
And many more.
Y muchos más.
We nailed it.
Happy birthday to Vicente Rodriguez, Ivan Broussard, Hien Nguyen, Harper Thomas, Victoria Juarez, Genesis Farias, Kumari Hinata, Aiden Mora, Natalie Cruz, Mancini Avila, Elias Ibarra, Eloisa Garcia, Saul Avila, and Alma Cardona Perlman. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, when the character trait is fairness.